Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these stains on painted surface. We have painted treated wood, and as you can see even plywood was painted, but now everything is covered in some type of stain, mildew, mold or algae. So we live in Florida, and that's what happened just in a few months after we painted the surface. I will be testing this 30 seconds outdoor cleaner. It says it cleans stains from algae, mold, mildew, wipes out dirt and grime. We'll see if it's gonna work.
The main reason why I purchased this product is because it is safe to use around the plants. When you start spraying, it smells like a bleach. I was nervous because we have a lot of plants around our gazebo.
Do you need my help?
This is what I'm gonna be using to protect a recently stained floor. Connect it to the garden hose and it's ready to use.
Just in case if this product is not gonna work, this is why we brought our pressure washer. So now I need to turn on water.
This is the first application of this product. I bought 2 bottles just in case.
It's been just like literally 10 seconds since I sprayed the roof, and the results are really visible.
I waited a few minutes and this is the second application of this product.
We decided to use a pressure washer because, as you can see, it removes partially, so we had to apply the second coat. And I think the best choice, also not to kill our plants around gazebo, will be to use a pressure washer. So let's try.
No?
We have to apply more.
Now I'm using my last bottle. This is the second one and this is the third application. There are few spots left that will require more applications of this product. After I remove the last stain, I rinse the roof with the water. As you can see, the product left some residue on the stained flooring, but you can still remove it with a pressure washer and with a good brush. The product is really good and I highly recommend it. I had to apply this product multiple times, however the result is really amazing. If you wanna buy this product, I'm gonna put a link in the description of this video. Here is an update for the plant lovers. The plants are doing great and we didn't lose a single plant after using this product. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.